Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a decentralized identifier on the XRP ledger that is tied to your account. So first, we are going to make the necessary imports. We are going to import the DID set transaction from the XRPL models package. Now, this DID set is used to create and update a DID object. Next, we import our clients. Next, we import the wallet object for signing transactions. Next, we import a helper method called string to hex, which will convert our string to hexadecimal that the blockchain can understand. And finally, we import the submit and wait method. First thing we are going to do is to build our client by saying client is equal to just an RPC client. Now we pass in the testnet URL. Next, we restore the account that we are going to use to create the DID. Finally, we build the DID set transaction. So the first parameter, the first and compulsory parameter we pass in is the account address. In this scenario is known as account. So we do that by saying account.address. Now there are three parameters we can pass in, which are each optional, but you cannot create the transaction without one of the above. So for the sake of the tutorial, I will pass in all three. Here we have DID document first. So DID document takes in a hexadecimal string. That is why we imported the string to hex method, which converts our strings to hexadecimal. Then as an example, I'll just say account DID document. This is just an example. Then next we have the data. Again, string to hexadecimal. Then we say account DID data. And finally, we have the URI. Convert that to hexadecimal. And then let's say did.data.com. Now we submit the transaction and wait for your response. So you pass in the client's parameter for signing and for submitting the transaction to the blockchain and listening for events. Next, we pass in the transaction object, which is this DID set. And finally, we pass in the wallet parameter, which is the account. Then we print the results. Better still, let's call this response. And then we print the response.result. Now I'm going to run this function by saying Python create the id.py. So as you can see, the transaction was successful. Over here, we can see the DID document, the hexadecimal string. We can see the data. We can see the fee that was charged. So if you ever want to create a DID associated with an account, this is an example of how you can do it. Thank you.